So I have this cheap screwdriver that came with a whole set, and it fits just these two pieces that are really long, and then you can turn it around and it fits the other pieces, which are like the standard sizes in here, because these are a 1/4 inch. And these are, I believe, the 3/16. So that's fine, except for if you have any normal like little bits. Like if you have a little screw like this, it's gonna fall all the way inside there. Even with like a longer one, it still falls all the way inside because this is too deep. So I 3D printed our little extender that we're gonna put inside here to push everything up a bit. So it should just fit right in like this, and how we make them stick is with 2 magnets that we're going to put on each side. And with the magnets, it doesn't matter which side is positive or negative. And now we have our perfectly sized spacer that we'll just put inside. And now our screw doesn't fall out, and it has magnets on both sides. When you need to take it out, you can. So now we have our spacer, which is perfect, doesn't go out. And when you want to pull it out and put your old screwdriver back in, you can. So I'll put this piece on my Thingiverse page, and anybody else that wants to make one for master grip, feel free, you're more than welcome. So just showing some fun things that you can make to personalize your tools with a 3D printer.